going on, guys? It's me, Linsay with LinsayMoore.com. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make $100 per day as a complete newbie online. And before I even get into the training, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also below this video, hit that notification bell so that way you can get more updates when I do more videos like this on YouTube. Now, in this training, I'm going to share with you the 5 things that you need in order to create $100 per day online and actually to create any successful business online. So stay tuned for the training, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can simply make $100 per day online as a complete newbie. Now, to do this, you just need 5 things, okay? You need a capture page. Now, what a capture page is a place like a one-page website where somebody can go to, and for exchange for their email address, you give them something for free, right? So it could be a free PDF, a free training series, some free videos, or something like that. The next thing you need is a thank you page. This is where you're going to actually give them the free thing that that you promised them on the capture page. The next thing you need also is an offer, product, or service. So you need some products to offer to those people as well. You need an autoresponder. An autoresponder is basically a fancy word of a website that's going to house all those emails that you're going to get on your capture page. And the last thing you need is traffic, meaning you need a lot of human eyeballs to get to your capture page so that way you can collect those emails. Okay, so to kind of give you a visual example of this, right? So this is one of the things that I'm promoting right here. So as you guys can see here, this is my opt-in page right here. And it's going to show people how to build an online business that generates $1,000 to $3,000 per month in 30 to 60 days. And it's going to be a video bootcamp series, right? So once they click on this button right here, a pop-up is going to show up that's going to ask them for their email address. In order to get access to the bootcamp video series, they must submit to me their email address, and then I will give them access to the video bootcamp. So once they have submitted their email address here, it's going to take them to a page here. And this is where they're going to get video 1 here. And I'm going to give them some information. I'm actually going to train them, okay? Now with this page, there's a variety of things that you can do. But for this particular example, I'm doing a 4-day bootcamp series. So I'm giving them video 1 as my thank you page. Now, when I talked about earlier how on the 5 things that you need to offer a product or service. Here, if you tell people that you want, like, say maybe like a free ebook or a product or something like that, if you promise that on this part right here on your opt-in page, then you will give a link or maybe add a video that's going to talk about that product or service on this thank you page. So this thank you page could be a variety of things. So again, on your opt-in page, let's say you want to give people a free cheat sheet that's going to show them the top 10 ways, the top 10 tips to to lose weight over the winter months or something like that. And then they opt in because they want that free thing. And on this thank you page, you can have a video saying, hey, that free cheat sheet that I promise you, if you check your email right now, you will get that cheat sheet here. But let me first introduce you to a product that you may be interested in, right? So you can actually put a link to another product or something like that here. It's a variety of ways that you can actually use this thank you page. Like I said, again, you can give them the very thing that they opted in for here, or you can use it as an opportunity to promote a related product, okay? And that's what you're going to do. And while this is happening, and once they have submitted their email address here, they're going to end up on your email list, okay? Now, the reason why we want to build an email list is because most cases when people come through this funnel right here, and this is what we call a funnel, they usually don't buy things the first time they see something, right? People have to have interaction with something at least 7 to 12 times before they take any type of action. And that's what we're going to do with the email list, okay? So for those people who did not take action here on a product or service that we provided here maybe, what we're going to do in our email follow-up sequence is that we're going to provide value, right? Provide value, and then occasionally we're going to pitch them additional products that they may be interested in, right? So where can we find these products? Well, you can go to clickbank.com. Now with clickbank.com, they have a variety of digital products on there, anywhere from anything that deals with relationships, health and wellness, cooking, info products, business, gaming. I think gaming is on there as well. They just have a variety of different products that you can offer to your list. And you want to at least have 3 or 4 products that you can offer on the back end, meaning your email list, to those people, right? That's what you're going to do. You can also become an Amazon affiliate, and you can provide physical products to that email list. You can also become an affiliate for other big box brands like Target and Walmart, right? If you go to their websites and you scroll down to the bottom, you'll always see like a link or something like that that says affiliates, and you can join their affiliate program for free and promote other physical products to your email list, okay? Now, this is something that I definitely do because I am in the make money online internet marketing niche, right? So I provide a lot of informational digital products, okay, to my email list. And with Clickfunnels, now Clickfunnels is basically a sales funnel software that helps to automate the sales process. And just like I was talking about how on the 5 things, how you need a capture page and a thank you page, an offer and an autoresponder, you can get all of that with Clickfunnels. So that's one of the reasons why I use Clickfunnels, because everything that I need in order to have a successful business online, Clickfunnels provides for it, right? And they offer low and high ticket products in their back office, right? So you can have, they have low ticket offers where it's like free plus shipping books. They have like I said, just lower tier products, and then they have high ticket products where you can earn a few $100s in commissions per product. Okay, so that's the one thing I love about it, and that's something that you definitely want to make sure that you look into, that you have a variety of different products that you can offer to your email list, that they're on the low end, maybe like $27, $97 or something like that, $47, and then you want to have some high ticket stuff that costs about a few $100s, and where you can get a higher commission from it, right? So this is how the email follow-up process is going to go. So you want to send out 3 value emails. And what I mean by value emails is that you just want to provide some information. Now, there's 2 ways you can go about this, right? So you can just give pure value and don't have any links in your emails. Or you can give a lot of value, and then in the PS, the postscript, you can have a link to a product that you're going to promote, right? You can definitely test with both ways, but that's how you're going to do that. And that's what you're going to do. By you providing value here, you're building up that trust with your new email subscriber, right? And after you send out 3 value emails, you want to send out a pitch email. And what I mean by a pitch email, this is going to be a hard pitch where you're basically wanting that person that email subscriber to buy something, right? And that way it doesn't feel like some people I know don't like to feel real salesy or whatever else when they're trying to pitch to people. Well, this is how you can kind of get around it. This way you're providing value, you're warming them up to your emails, you're showing that you're knowledgeable about your products or your services or that niche, and then you give them a hard pitch here, right? Some people do 2 value emails, then a pitch. You can do that as well. Or like I said, you can stick to this, and all you're going to do is just keep rinsing and repeating, okay? So after you do this pitch, you come back, do 3 more value emails, and then do another pitch for another product or service, okay? And that's how you're just going to keep doing that. It's really, really simple, guys, okay? Now, the last thing you're going to need is traffic, okay? So I've done videos on how you can make $100 per day online, and I've always shown like different ways you can generate traffic. This way, I'm going to show you in this video is something that I currently do. Because I am a YouTuber, this is one of my primary ways that I like to generate traffic, okay? So what you want to do is you want to create YouTube videos that provide value, right? And once you do that, you want to include a link to your sales funnel. When you create this inside of like Clickfunnels or something like that, right? You want to include a link to this opt-in page in the description of the video, in the description below your video. And while you're doing your video, you can tell people to go to your link. At the end of the video, tell people to go to your link that's going to be located at the bottom in the description below your video, right? Now, I know some people are not comfortable with being on camera. That's fine. There's ways around it, right? So you can use a screen recording software called Screencast-O-Matic, and I'll put these links below this video for the tools that I use. But you can go to Screencast-O-Matic. They have a free option where you can record up to 15 minutes for free, where you can just show your screen like how I'm doing here. And then you can also just pay $15 for the entire year, and then you can record longer videos. So you have that option as well, and that way you're not showing your face on camera, okay? And then what you want to do is if you have a brand new, if you're creating a new YouTube channel, you definitely want to start off with 10 videos to help start getting views to your channel. Now, some people say like you don't need to upload a video every single day. Some people say you need to upload at least one video a week. To me, I say to really get the ball rolling on a new channel, I say you should upload every single day until you start getting the ball rolling on your channel and you start getting views, right? I say just do it that way, and like I said, it worked for me in the past, but that's just my opinion, okay? And that's all you need to do in order to create $100 per day online. And like I said, where the money comes from is the offers that you're going to find here that you're going to be promoting on the back end, okay? Like I said, some people, if you offer a product here on your thank you page, some people will buy here. In a lot of cases, they don't. Where they usually buy, where the money is usually made, is on the back end that we call it, and that's like the email follow-up sequence. So it's very vital that you make sure that you have this in place, okay? And that's how you're going to make $100 per day online as a complete newbie. Now, as you just saw in the training, I showed you how you can simply create $100 per day online simply by having those 5 things in place. Now, below this video, in the description below this video, I'm actually going to offer you a free done-for-you funnel, okay? So everything that I just shared with you inside of this video, I have it already done for you. All you need to do is just change out a few links, and you already have a complete done-for-you business, okay? So underneath this video in the description below, you will find that link. And then also you will find a link to that same opt-in that I showed you inside of the training, and shows you how you can actually create $1,000 to $3,000 per day online in the next 30 to 60 days. You can get access to that 4-day video bootcamp series, okay? So all that, again, is underneath this video in the description. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Also, subscribe to this channel, and if you have any questions, make sure you comment below and let me know if I should do more videos like this. And to the next video, guys. Peace.